Hey guys, today's video is about introducing you to Microsoft Excel on Windows 10. This video is for beginners who have just started to learn or explore Excel and may need a few pointers on how to get started. If you want to see more of these videos about Microsoft applications, please comment down below and provide some suggestions on the content that you would like me to share. So in order to open the Excel workbook, we are going to type in the search bar that can be found on the bottom left side of the screen and click on the Excel app, and then something like this, which is called an Excel window, will pop up for you. In order to create new data in the workbook, click on blank workbook and the worksheet will appear for you. I have chosen the dark gray background color for this tutorial to make it easier to differentiate the different options that Excel has to offer. So the top part of the worksheet is called a ribbon, which is highlighted in light gray color. On top of the ribbon are the tabs such as Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, Data Review, View, Help. So these tabs have differentiated different options for you that Excel has to offer. For example, formatting, sorting, page layout, print setup, etc., that we will go through in the future videos to come. Underneath the ribbon on the left side is called a name box. The name box shows you what column or row you're working in currently. Right next to the name box is called a formula bar. And in this formula bar, you can view or edit the formula that you're working with currently. Underneath the name box and the formula bar is the actual worksheet to work in. The alphabetical boxes are called columns and they run vertically throughout the worksheet. The numbered items or the numbered boxes are called rows that run horizontally on the worksheet. At the bottom left of the page is an option to add, move, or remove worksheets if you're planning to create data on multiple worksheets. In order to add a worksheet, simply click on the plus sign. You can also rename a worksheet and sort them with different tab colors. For example, in order to rename a worksheet, simply double click on the default name and you can change the name as you desire. In order to change the color on the tab of the worksheet, right click on the name, go to tab color and select the color that you would like it to show as. And we can continue to do that with the next sheet. Double click, rename it as red. In order to add color, we right click, tab color, red. In order to remove the worksheet, you follow the same process. You right click, scroll up to delete, and it will get rid of the worksheet for you. You want to make sure that there was no data involved, some important data that you don't want to get rid of. So make sure that before deleting a worksheet to kind of ensure that you don't have any data left over in that worksheet. Once you're finished working on the workbook, click on File, Save As, and pick the desired location or folder on your computer to save the file. In this case, I will simply save it on the desktop and name it as test file. So I will click on Browse, Desktop, name it as a test file. Once the file is saved, the new name of the file will appear at the very top of the workbook. You may now close the workbook, and in order to reopen, you can go to the location where you had saved it double click on the file and it will open up for you. So this concludes today's tutorial, guys. If you learned something or enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thank you.